What's up? We're back with another toy reel, hamburger. But we're back with another toy review. We got Pokemon Friday. It's Freddy's Snaps. Right, it's a Freddy Snaps. I'm a little sick.
This toy review is a little different. Usually we have dinosaurs and other stuff.
No, what do you mean? Only dinosaurs.
Only dinosaurs. This one we have Snaps, Pokemon.
Let's open up the Snaps first because I'm going to do these real unboxing 8 packs of cards.
Let me see. Got this.
Hamburger.
Okay. See. Foxy.
Eli's convincing me that Snaps are so cool. But
Stop it!
Really know.
Evan, why would you say that?
I think we need skizzies.
No, I don't need skizzies.
Hamburger. Might need
Let me
skizzies
see
for this one.
Give me my head. Yes, we're gonna need skizzies for that.
Okay, let me go back again.
That's good. Okay. Okay, guys. It's me.
We got skizzies. It's me, Fuxie.
Got the 2 heads. Pop. He's out. You can hear the snap.
So why exactly are they called Snaps, mate?
Because you can put their face on.
Key.
Look, I got
Oh, I love this. Where his eye patch goes up. That one's
both
better.
eyes.
Hamburger. It's a hamburger.
His legs are still in here.
Hamburger. Hamburger.
I think the legs snap. There. We got Foxy.
Fuxie. Here, let's display him. Let's display.
It's me.
It's me, Mario.
Got his 2 faces. I like
Hamburger.
this one.
SML, royalty, family, everything.
Boom. We got Foxy.
Hamburger. And we have to put these like, no, put them, display them on the pillow so we can just go like this. Yep.
It's me,
Hamburger.
Foxy.
That's me, Mario. So, look at that screen right there. Get this out of the way.
Okay.
Oh, just get it.
Throw it.
There's Fuxie.
We got
Let's
this from.
dig in.
These are everywhere.
Digging into the dairy milk.
Okay. The snaps are everywhere at GameStop. So you want some of these?
And
Use the check GameStop.
GameStop, shout out. The
You don't have to
receipt.
give a shout
No
out. for
receipt.
everything.
Imagine Mattel sends us their free box at the end of the day.
Shut up with
Zion.
that. Okay, I don't know how to get this open.
I know how to get it open. Oh, yeah.
He's so weird. Comment down below if he's weird. There. That is
Hamburger.
so hard. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Hamburger, I can see. So you didn't see the Pokemon. We got new Pokemon.
Well, that was hard to get out.
Hamburger.
Ah.
Oh, hamburger.
There's one Freddy. There's the stage.
Oh,
see.
hamburger. Explosion. I want to do the explosion edit. Why is there a flipped over party hat? Somebody have a bad day. Uh-oh.
Stop it.
Poop my pants.
There.
I poop my pants.
Stop
Jeffy.
saying that.
That's Jeffy from SML. My favorite character in SML is Lance.
Lance.
No doubt. The hamburger. Lance, Poogie, Logan, Lavelle, Elena.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I think, yeah.
This is going Freddy.
And the right
Look at Freddy. He died. This is all that's left of
You're
going
cheap
Freddy.
into the RIP. Melee.
It actually stays on way better than the Foxy's.
Get that music.
Get this.
It's Will.
Who's Will?
Ferran's uncle.
There, we got one Freddy.
And he's single. There we
Stop.
go. Hamburglar. Hamburglar. Hamburglar.
Stop saying
It's just
all
Bell Gal. Gale.
Stop saying
No. That's how you say. So Gale is how you say girl in Super Duper Country. You know that?
No,
Kick him out.
this is pretty hard.
This is like go. You don't like this, but this like the hamburger. Isn't there like 2 tables over here? The party room, and you sit the chairs right here. Over here.
There's this. Got the 3 chairs. That's security reach.
Oh, wrong thing. Sorry. Hamburger.
We got. Stop it! That is mad fish.
Now, time for my Pokemon cards. Boo the Snappies. Yes, Pokies. Okay, so I'm gonna go like this. Hamburger. A little farther away. Capture. Okay, I didn't damage it that much. That's good. Take the framing out. 1 pack. Little card. 2 pack. 3 pack. 4 pack. Jumbo. Piece of plastic. This one is this good card. Put that there. A piece of plastic. This one is the good guns. EX. Sweet. Alright, let's see what we got in the first pack. See it. No look opened. Good. How is it on the Pokemon pack? Like so weirdly elaborate. Please be back. Please be back. No front. No front. Which way is back? Which way is front? Alright. So it must be back. Okay. Yeah, it's back. Card trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's see it. Energy. Lumpy. Reverse of energy. Imola. Tomecho. Fune. Where's Hollow? Ah! Still got one more thing, but okay. Back. Okay. Ah! I don't want to see it. I didn't see anything. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see this. Don't look.
I'm not looking.
Energy, fire. Good chance for it's Charizard. Here, I don't see anything at the back, so there's no good card. Reverse of energy, and fossil chunk assist. Zubat. Ooh. First trainer and Phony. We got Rakuff. Yep. Ow. Alright. A pack. And battle get. Yep. I really want to get something good. Alright. Oh, we got. Okay, we got, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What'd you find, Evan?
A Mewtwo V. I flipped 5 cards.
That's a Mew.
A Mew.
Oh, you're doing a video? My bad, bro.
Ow! And then we got this trainer ball. What else do we have? Oh yeah, that was my mistake. But we got a Mew V. Ah! I keep doing that. Why is there... Oh, there's a V-Star card. But yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of a stupid energy, it's a V-Star. Piplup, 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 Piplup! Ooh, a Lucario. And just, Rickwolf. Sometimes you don't get good cards, and it's like, ah! Okay, now we're opening this one. I really want something good. Alright, what we got here? We got Jumbo. Si no me calo de sunshine. Si no me calida. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Empty, empty. Go live. Whoop! EX. Oh, we got 2 cards. We got this and pretty good. Alright, we got 2 packs. I mean 4 packs, yeah. Hopefully we can get some good pulls here, but haven't been able to get. Up. Okay, this is just gonna have to. Okay, I'm not looking. Ah, flip. Okay, good. Shoot. Oh, I see something good in there. Where is it? Dang it. Oh my god!
What is that?
I just pulled a Cringeon EX. What did I get for the other one, though? Why do they all have... Oh. Pull it. Yeah. Code card. Starting off with a pretty good start. With the Charlotte v. Violet packs. I think this is it, yes. That 1, 2, 3, 4. Lightning energy. We didn't get anything good. Oh no, this is supposed to go here. Oh, Raichu. Good for the lightning energy. Just pulled. Oh, I think there's something good. Oh. What is this? It's an item and it's a good card, so I'm okay with it. Yes. So 2 more packs to go. You pull good. Hero! You got flipped the other way.
Hey, guess what, guys?
What? What?
They just sent out the new principals for next year. Miss Chrysler is going to be one of the principals.
What?
Dawn Chrysler. Her name's Dawn, right?
Yeah.
So she'll be one of the principals. And
I'm making. Bruh.
And then there's a guy that I don't know, Jeff something.
Oh.
I don't know. He wasn't ever on any of the other ones that I can tell.
Yeah.
So who knows? Maybe Miss Watson might be the one going down, or they might just hire a new 2nd grade teacher.
Not sure, but yeah.
Guys, I don't like these on the couch. You understand me? This is gonna poke a hole in the couch.
What? Oh yeah, that.
Don't put the scissors on the couch.
I keep messing it up.
You still got a pee, babe, and you haven't done your pee yet?
Yup. What did I get for my actual like?